time and challenge it.
They plan this shit, you know. They know if I get a good fan base, I get a good like client, just like people eyes on me, you know. What they do is they show magic, you know. People like seeing magic, and the magic is just market moments in Photoshop. Market moments, market moments. For those who don't know what a market moment is, a market moment is a moment in the market where like you can just be in deep profits for a minute, and the next second your is gone. That's what people don't understand. And these mentors will be posting market moments, and they don't know just after that 2 seconds, just after a minute, that account blew, you know. And then he posted on his Instagram. People are like, my mentor is killing, my mentor is killing, and they don't know that it's a market moment, you know.
Fact, another fact.
You know, people are amazed by market moments, you know. Market moments, and it's just a fucking second. It's just a screenshot, my G. People are this guy kills the market. You know,
you know what ruined it, my friend.
Yeah, it's rough for you.
One thing that ruined the game is that because Forex is unregulated, I can make a profit of 100 rand, wake up tomorrow and say, yeah, now I think I qualify to be a mentor. Make a profit of 5,000 and say, no, yeah, now I think I qualify to be a mentor. That's what killed it. And one thing that killed the game was, why should a mentor have a relationship with the broker? That question, I fail to sleep with a broad smile at night. I fail to sleep with a broad smile at night because I randomly ask myself relationship with the broker, whereas we grew up knowing that no, the brokers are our enemies.
The mentor have a broker that is not regulated with a relationship. And why? Since when does a mentor meet with the CEO of the broker? Since when?
Of a broker.
Even that time, you remember that time when leadership Munsa was arrested.
Leon White Trade is also another guy who is a sellout. That guy.
Who?
He's the one who's recruiting all these young boys.
Only few mentors are legit. These days, you just have to. I don't know which advice I can give them, but it's a very tough world out there. As long as you are meant to have a relationship with the broker, because one thing that I'm certain for sure, you are at risk. Yeah. Once I say no, I have a relationship with the Veracity market. Let me say, for instance,
you're at risk. You know, me personally, I would never like try to eat off people's commissions or try referring people to a broker.
No, you know what happens? Forex scammers. I'm not saying that maybe I'm against you or something. Let me say something. You'll tell me whether it's my observation right or wrong. Now, you promote a link, they give you a commission for promoting that link, because promoting a link is not easy. You get money from promoting that link. That's not wrong, because you must eat what you worked hard for it. You reap what you sow. You promote a link, you get a commission from that. There's nothing wrong with that. But you know what's the problem? It's when you are telling TradingHub and other students that no, TradingHub, find your account with a minimum of 1,000, then I'll give you free tutorials. We must meet at this certain hall, but your account must be funded with a minimum of 1,000. When you get there, I make sure that I give you wrong market directions. You blow all of your accounts. And then I benefit. I benefit maybe, let me say,
then you blame manipulation
from all those thousands. How much will I make?
You make
That's when you say you are selling out. But I'm not saying that I'm against this thing of being an IB to a broker, promoting a link, because you reap what you sow. What if you promote a link, nobody joins? You see that you are just wasting your time. But if somebody joins, well, good. But my biggest worry, it's when you start forcing people, find your account with thousands, let's meet at this
minimum deposit 1,000.
Exactly. We do live trading. When we get to that wall direction, we all take that direction, we blow our accounts. For instance, the broker say no, from this 1,000 you are gonna get a 350. Just say 350 times 2,000. How much is that money? How much is that money? Then exactly, then you sold out.
See what these guys do. Look, you do the right direction. So I tell you to open a lot of trades to make sure that your 1,000 blows at that time. It will take out most of the traders. Most of the small traders will come out with the big lot size. You keep telling them go big, keep opening trades.
Exactly my point. That's why I'm telling you. That's the mentality. That's what they do. That's what they do.
Are you talking some bullshit, Maji? I respect.
Well, they don't eat a dog. Every man for himself. Those who can't listen to you and TradingHub, ha, what a joke, my darling. They're at danger.
They're at danger.
I don't even understand. You give them concrete evidence, still they don't understand. And you know what's the scam that's currently presiding over right now? This thing of mentors now having these things of now mentors having relationship with car dealerships. It's currently killing the game.
It's currently killing the game.
Like, I like to that. Buy a
car. Just go there. They just
immediately when you buy a car.
Maji, I can just go to a car dealership and ask and pay 300 to like a manager there, dog, just to take a picture like with like a ribbon and keys in my hands, G, and post that on Instagram.
Yeah.
And I'll be with the big shade and just say congratulations, my boy. What, you know, just like that. That way I'm already marketable. I'm already a marketable salesman.
But yeah, another thing, I totally agree with that. Another thing to add on top of that, I've seen a lot of mentors posting new cars with the sticker of insurance. When I try to look at their ID, their age is less than 25. Do you know how hard is it to get a car with insurance whereas you are below 25 of age? But why do we see them posting cars with insurance logo there on top of the car, whereas it's hard for them to get a car with insurance before you are 25 years old? I don't want to mention name because is a hater. I'm not, but I'm speaking based on the reality that it's at stake. There's an elephant inside the room. Nobody wants to address it. This thing of mentors that are currently presiding over with the dealership, it's wrong, and nobody's there to exactly, my friend. No, nobody wanna preach about it, but it's wrong because that's a scam. These people they are trying to find something that's interesting that will lower people into because it's a thing that's like, I don't know whether I understand my point. And other mentors, you know what they do? They've realized that no, because we say no 1,000, we say 1,500 lifetime signals. Then all of a sudden he starts saying no, pay 3,000 monthly fee. Whereas that time he has maybe I think students 3,000 or something, or maybe students he say no, pay 300 per month. Whereas you were now, you thought you paid 1,500 because you have nothing. You're gonna do nothing because you already paid 1.5. That time it doesn't nanga you guys.
True. Hey,
it doesn't even nanga you that time. And you're gonna do nothing because it's saying nah, if you don't want, you can leave my agreement. Even instructions you that no, I'll remove you if you don't wanna pay. That time you made an agreement.